What do you think, dude?
I think it's pretty amazing. Just you can go through a tree, behind a waterfall, and end up here.
I know. What a beautiful view, too. Today we're going to explore the surrounding areas of Jardin, Colombia by horseback. What do we got going on here?
French toast.
All right.
I told him
That's pretty good, huh?
Yes, it looks amazing.
It's ready.
It's ready. The maple syrup.
Dig in. Currently we're cruising with 4 people in the rain. So we have Adriana and her tent along with our camper. A little tight, but it works. Oh yeah. Buenas.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Estamos listos?
Sí.
Sí, claro.
Nice little willies. Yeah.
Hola, precioso.
Ya, chao. Chao. Chao.
Adiós.
Póntese adelante, póntese adelante.
¿Sí? Dale, dale, dale. Oh, I like your hat. That's the perfect hat. It
There
actually
you go.
is. It covers his ears and everything.
Yeah.
Hola, amor. ¿Se va con nosotros?
No.
Ah. En realidad, So did you hear what she said?
No.
She said anything that you want to know about the town,
Ask
anything
questions.
that you want to know
Ask
about
questions.
Antioquia. So why is Jardin Jardin?
O sea,
Such
todo
a paradise.
el mundo tiene
Because
una
people are
pequeña
not getting here.
propiedad.
It's a dirt road coming here.
Riding on top of a Jeep is a little bumpy. What do you think, buddy?
I think it's sweet. Whoa.
Vanessa is very good at this. She usually picks the right horse.
Esa es tranquila. Es yegua, ¿sí?
Last time it was a dancing horse.
Yo les voy a tomar algunas fotos en la salida y se los mando a su chat.
Ay, listo, perfecto. Muchas gracias.
Ahora, cabecadita.
There you go. How's it going back there?
It's pretty great. My horse is enormous. I always get the ones that like when I take off. This guy was no different.
How's it going, Adriana? Can't explain how amazing it is. All right. So beautiful out here.
the horse that reflects our attitude. Like yours is like on cruise control. Mine is a little bit bipolar, can't figure out what it wants. And Caden's is just a little bit lazy.
Until it wants to go. Big waterfall. And an amazing house. And the only way to get here.
He's so much taller than me. Bushwhacking.
Literally bushwhacking through the jungle.
To the jungle. To the jungle. Ay, ay, ay. Did you show Adriana the way? Did you show Adriana the way? Okay, other thing.
That
It's getting better and better. It took a little bit of getting to get to this place. An hour by horseback and then like a 20-minute hike straight up the side of a cliff to this enormous waterfall that we had to climb through a tree trunk tunnel to get to. And this picture just doesn't do it justice. It's so big. The terrain is something not to be trifled with. It is a legit trek to get here.
That was crazy. Time to go back up.
Okay. Okay. Get in and out of this waterfall. We go behind it. Okay. And into this tree tunnel. And out.
All right, get ready to head out. I don't know, dude. I think you got a donkey.
I do too.
It's part donkey. It's a mule.
You're eating a dead leaf.
The colors on the way back are spectacular. There's the Andes. Look at that peak over there. It's amazing.
Here we go. I gotta catch up.
Finally made it back.
Adriana,
Señor,
yo tengo el teléfono
Now we
de
have a flat tire.
come on.
Tiene el teléfono de Dora.
Looking out over the town of Jardin. And not everything goes as planned. We ended up getting a flat tire, so the boys are changing it right now. And our little dog that was hurting our horses got kicked in the face by one of the horses.
Leave that out, Mom.
It took him a minute to recover, but he's okay. Is she calling it that?
And we're done.
No, she's just
No, we weren't coming.
Okay.
You guys coming down at all? No?
I'm coming down.
No, aquí. Ya usted nos hace bullita cuando mi Dios le ayude.
In my backpack right now.
The views just keep getting better and better.
Sí.
Fresh ingredients for lunch.
Arugula.
This is Mom's dream.
Your peppers.
Let me see.
Esto es una especie de pepinillo, pero yo no recuerdo qué es.
That's peppers.
Allí maíz. Vamos a hacer un almuerzo.
Vamos.
De profe.
Sí, señora, gracias. Muchas gracias.
¿Usted es profe? ¿De qué?
Como ahorita.
Ah,
So we have rice. What's this?
o sea que a usted le gustan los
Potato
niños.
salad.
Potato salad, chicken,
Bueno, me gusta.
And what's-
A él le gustó yo.
Patacones.
patacones, avocado, and the juice.
Es gulupe.
Doy la.
And the soup is pumpkin. Sweet.
Increíble.
Está como yo, pues.
Hernán,
What was your favorite?
Por favor. Oh man, the
Doña
soup
Claudia, ¿cómo está?
Yeah.
and the juice.
So good.
¿quiere más?
Doña Claudia, ya
Oh,
llegaron los
no,
caballos.
gracias.
I'm not sure if you need coffee, dude.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I do need coffee.
Nope.
I'm
Yeah.
tired.
Yeah, okay.
No, okay, sure.
Lupa encima, Hugo, lupa leche, ¿cómo va la diarrea?
Milk straight from the udder.
Yes.
Pero leche buena, por
Por encima.
Por encima
En
de
lugar
la
de la
crema.
¿Qué?
Ella es para usted. Por
Pues,
encima,
como la de- como
uno
la
le
de-
saca la mantequilla y.
Venga, usted me
sí.
dice que no me vaya a agarrar, que me tomé el jugo.
Ah, no. Oh, let's bring this because this is. Kaden will forget it.
He's done.
Yeah.
Hablo enredado en español, ¿me
No,
entiende a mí?
se está-
This is Jaime Carrizales. He lives and cultivates the coffee on the land that has been in his family for centuries. The coffee he roasts is a single bean, high altitude coffee, making it one of the higher quality coffees that you can find. Since Jaime's family has been cultivating their own coffee for so long, he looks at mixed coffee beans as not real coffee. This is one method Jaime uses. This was the device used in 19th century by the Queen of Belgium to brew her coffee. Somehow, Jaime has acquired it. To use this, Jaime pours water into the pot and heats the water with the fire from the wick underneath. Then the water boils, it's pushed through the tube into the coffee chamber brewing the coffee. When the pot that was being heated cools, the hot coffee is then pushed back into the water chamber and is ready to serve.
So I guess now we're gonna go check out some coffee plantations. What do you say about Jardin, about the place itself?
It's about one of the last places that grows so many diversity of foods and vegetables, and they don't need anything from anywhere else.
That's so amazing. Look at the treehouse. Wow. Wow.
This is incredible.
The shower. Now that's a place. Pretty amazing day, huh?
Oh my god.
40 seguidores aquí son. Desde arriba, sí.
Ah.
Hop in. The policia. We have to abide by the rules when we get to the road. Adios. What did you think about that?
That was probably one of the best movies of my whole life.
Right.
It was amazing. I loved every bit of it. That going through the tree tunnel to the waterfall was like the highlight of my life. It was amazing.
Absolutely. Yeah, definitely worth it. Vale la pena.
Yeah, vale la pena.